Stamina is the cornerstone of a vibrant, active life. Whether you're an athlete pushing your body to new limits, a busy professional juggling the demands of work and family, or simply someone who wants to feel more energized throughout the day, the foods you choose play a crucial role in how much energy and endurance you have. Instead of reaching for artificial supplements or energy drinks, nature provides a bounty of foods that can help naturally boost your stamina. Let's explore some of the most effective foods, how they work, and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for lasting vitality. To begin, it's essential to understand what stamina really means. Stamina is the sustained physical and mental energy that allows you to perform activities for longer periods without feeling fatigued or drained. It's not just about muscles, it's about the intricate balance of nutrients, blood flow, oxygen delivery, and efficient energy production at the cellular level. The right foods support all these processes, fueling both your body and your mind. Whole grains are a foundational source of lasting energy. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide complex carbohydrates that break down slowly, releasing glucose steadily into your bloodstream. This slow release keeps your energy levels stable, preventing the spikes and crashes you might experience from sugary, processed foods. Start your morning with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruit and nuts, or opt for a hearty quinoa salad at lunch to enjoy sustained energy all day long. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, and for good reason. Packed with easily digestible carbohydrates, potassium, and vitamin B6, bananas offer a quick yet sustained boost of energy. Potassium helps maintain proper nerve and muscle function, which is especially important if you're active. Eating a banana before a workout or as an afternoon snack can help keep fatigue at bay and support muscle endurance. Nuts and seeds are another powerhouse category when it comes to stamina. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients work together to keep you feeling full and energized. They also provide magnesium and iron, minerals that are vital for oxygen transport in the blood and energy production. A small handful of mixed nuts or a spoonful of chia seeds in your yogurt can make a significant difference in your daily stamina. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which helps repair and build muscle tissue. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, so it offers a more gradual and sustained release of energy. Eggs are also rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which plays a key role in energy metabolism and red blood cell formation. Starting your day with scrambled eggs or adding a hard-boiled egg to your lunch can help keep you energized and focused. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with iron, a mineral crucial for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Insufficient iron can lead to fatigue and decreased endurance. Leafy greens also supply antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and fiber, which support overall health and energy production. Incorporate a green salad, sautéed greens, or a smoothie with spinach into your daily meals for a natural stamina boost. Sweet potatoes are another excellent choice for increasing stamina. They're rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins A and C. The fiber in sweet potatoes slows the absorption of sugars, providing a steady energy release, while their antioxidants help reduce inflammation and support immune function. Roasted sweet potatoes make a delicious side dish, or you can blend them into soups and stews for extra nutrition. Oats deserve a special mention for their impressive stamina-boosting properties. As a whole grain, oats are high in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prolong the feeling of fullness. Oats also contain B vitamins and iron, both of which are essential for energy metabolism. A bowl of oatmeal with berries and a drizzle of honey can be the perfect start to a long, active day. Beetroot is gaining popularity for its ability to enhance stamina, especially among athletes. Beets are high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, which can delay fatigue during exercise. Drinking beetroot juice or adding roasted beets to salads can give you a natural edge in endurance. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich food that also provides carbohydrates and probiotics for gut health. The combination of protein and carbohydrates makes Greek yogurt an excellent snack for sustained energy. It also contains calcium, which is important for muscle function. Pair Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of seeds for a balanced, stamina-boosting snack. Lentils and other legumes like chickpeas and black beans are superb sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. They digest slowly, providing steady energy, and their high iron content helps prevent fatigue. Lentil soups, bean salads, and hummus are all delicious ways to include legumes in your diet. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps the body absorb iron from plant-based sources. The natural sugars in citrus fruits offer a quick energy boost, while their water content helps keep you hydrated, both important for maintaining stamina. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can also offer a stamina boost. It contains caffeine, theobromine, and antioxidants called flavonoids, which can improve blood flow and mental alertness. Choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and enjoy a small square as a treat before a workout or during an afternoon slump. Hydration is another key aspect of stamina. Even mild dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue and reduced endurance. Water is the best choice, but herbal teas, coconut water, and water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber can also help keep you hydrated and energized. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on variety and balance. Whole grains for long-lasting energy, fruits and vegetables for vitamins and antioxidants, lean proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats for sustained fullness. Listen to your body and make small changes over time to create eating habits that support your natural stamina. Ultimately, building stamina is about more than just what you eat. It's about nourishing your body, staying active, managing stress, and getting enough rest. But by choosing the right foods, you lay the foundation for a life full of energy, endurance, and vitality. So next time you feel your energy waning, reach for one of these natural stamina-boosting foods and feel the difference for yourself.